Hi gang, Jesse here at AC Auto Repair. One of the questions that we get from time to time from some of our audience is, how can I tell what condition my tires is in? So I got lucky today. I was walking earlier and I found a penny. So I thought, because I found a penny, then that must be a good reason to shoot a video and let people know how to use a penny to check a tire. So on your penny, you got Lincoln's head, and basically legal wear limit on a tire is actually 230 seconds. That's the actual legal limit. But basically, you can stick the penny in, and you see how that it just touches the top of his hair. This tire is actually right at the point that it needs to be replaced. I'll actually show you. This tire did get replaced because this car hit a pothole. They must have hit a pretty big pothole because it actually bent the wheel right here. And not only did it bend it, but you can see it actually cracked it right there as well. So whatever they hit in the road, it was a pretty substantial damage, impact. And then of course the tire blew out from running on a deflated tire. So this one did get replaced, but these bars right here are super easy to see. Those are technically the legal wear bars. They call those wear bars. They're in between the tread. And so when you're even with those, that's the official 230 seconds mark. So summertime, your vehicle, your tire gets down to 430 seconds. Hot temperatures at 430 seconds, it's a good time to start eyeballing a new set of tires for your car. So you're not left stranded on the side of the road, having to call AAA or somebody else to come rescue you, have a blowout. Quick hack. I'll see you in the next video.